Hey guys, so today we are going to dive straight into the main topic that we learn in this chapter, and that topic is about lenses. Okay, now why lenses are important is because something we use in pretty much everyday life, right? A lot of us might be wearing glasses, those are lenses. It helps us to see. The cameras that we use have lenses, the telescopes. There's a lot of uses for lenses. So to understand lenses, we are going to be looking in a couple of topics ahead, possibly do some activities with lenses also. Alright, so first we look at how a lens is made. We look at the construction of a lens. Okay, we'll start with what we already know. We already saw what curved mirrors look like, right? So I'll start with the curved mirror. Let me start with recollect. This would be a concave mirror, right? This was a concave mirror, and it would be something like this. Principal axis would be here, right? You'll have C, and we'll have make it a little longer. There will be a C, there will be an F, there will be a P over here, right? This is what you've seen, a convex concave mirror. Now what I will do is, mirrors, if we see on one side they are plated and the other side is like transparent, right? This side is so if we remove the mirrored side, then we can start to build lenses. Okay, so in a lens, the key thing is it's transparent. Okay, it doesn't have any polished silver mirrors like how mirrors are. You can see through a lens. It's not blocked. You won't see your own face in a lens. You can see across. That's exactly how we have glasses, right? So what we do is, to build a lens, we'll take two curved mirrors or two curved surfaces and we just join them together. Okay, so if I take two concave mirrors without the mirrored sides, basically transparent, then it becomes what we call as a biconvex lens. Okay. Now, if you notice, for this first one, I drew this line, I wrote F and C. Even for the second surface, it will also have the same F and C, right? It will also have a focus. The second curve will also have F and C. Now, how do I distinguish between these two? Because they can be different, okay? So it's not necessary that this F and this F are the same. Completely depends on how the lens is made. So what we'll do is, we number this as F1, C1, F2, C2. Then just to recall, F is focus, C is center of curvature. Same way. Now, where is the pole over here? Over here, pole is not really taken as pole. We take what we call as this middle, exactly the center of the lens. We call it O. This is a new word for you. It's called optic center. Okay. So every lens will have this, right? That it will have two focus, two center of curvatures, and one optic center. So now this one I have built with two concave stuck together, or else you can even look at them as convex but inside is not separate. Alright. Another thing that I can do is I take it curved in the other direction. Right? Like this, not like this. Right? So for this again I'll have one focus here and I'll have one center of curvature here. Say that I take another lens in the same manner, curved outward. Okay. And join like that. So even for this one, I'll say there is a focus and a center of curvature. Again, since they're different, F1, C1, F2 and C2. And up here in the center, we'll have something called O. Right? Again, just the same thing. O is nothing but optic center. This is what we call as biconcave lens. Okay. Now, simple way to remember, again light is falling inside of this cave. Right? Light is going to come from here or here. Either way doesn't matter. So, since it's falling on the cave, we call it biconcave. Bi means two, right? This word bi means two, because there are two curved surfaces involved. That's why we call it biconcave. Both are concave. Same goes for biconvex, two convex surfaces, because light is falling from here and from here. So that is the two major lenses, biconcave and biconvex. They are also simply called as concave convex lenses. So going forward, if I ever say concave lens, means this lens, and if I say convex lens, it means this lens, just to keep it short. Alright, now other than these two, there are other lenses. We won't be talking majorly about them, but we'll just take a look just for like knowing what are the names. Alright, so what I can do is I can make a lens that looks like this. We'll say I'll take one of these and the other one I'll put it as flat. Okay, right? Since it's not mirrored, I'll just put a flat surface on that, like it's like a plane surface. So this is called as Plano convex. Okay, one side is plane, the other side is convex. So I'll call it Plano convex lens. Right. It's easy to guess. If there's a plano convex, there will be a plano concave also. Right? Pretty much similar way. You'll have like one concave surface and the other one will be flat, straight. Plane. So this will be a plano concave lens. Right? We won't be studying these in our syllabus. We'll mostly be looking at these two lenses when it comes to learning about diagrams and different things like that. Alright, so names of lenses and the different parts of a lens, the construction of a lens, just like we saw in the previous chapter.